Are you ready, Ashrita?
Ready? Well, I'm always ready to target, drain, and transform.
Louder! A very good morning from Team Sonawalik.
Wow, I wanted to get that answer. Exactly, right there. Fix that. And there's nothing wrong with that answer.
Damn good, girls. Damn good.
Good luck. बहुत पढ़ाई करो और बहुत खेलो. बहुत खेलो.
Hi, I'm Ashrita and I'm a fitness entrepreneur. Before being a fitness entrepreneur, I'm first a fitness coach. And it's a long story how I branched off from a corporate world where I spent some good amount of 15 years working there, leading various verticals. But that said, the biggest passion that I carried was always fitness. So branching off and starting my own company in the form of Domowalik with a team which is not just in it to train people, they're extremely passionate people and they love to train, not because only they want to derive their livings out of it, but primarily people who feel staying fit themselves, keeping others healthy, fit, and absolutely rocking is their prime goal. And that's what brings the whole team together into that one common goal of how can we coach and make sure that the world around us stays healthy, fit, and absolutely rocking.
I'm declaring a public health emergency of international concern over the global outbreak.
जनता कर्फ्यू यानी जनता के लिए, जनता द्वारा खुद पर लगाया गया कर्फ्यू। आज रात 12 बजे से संपूर्ण देश में संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है।
सनी, आपको कॉफी पीनी है?
So the first reaction when the lockdown happened was, for me, for a few hours, it was denial. This can't happen. I think the decision is not thought through. But then as I started thinking a little more about it, I realized this is the right decision. We should go into a lockdown. So there was a definite mixed feeling. What do you think, Sunny?
Yeah, I understand that. And what happened was, we see people around us talking their stuff, filling their house with their daily routine requirement like rice, dal, everything. We were having discussion, what should we be doing? Should we be doing the same thing or not? So that was the immediate reaction, to basically think about your survival first.
5.
Oh
God, I'm the only one left.
Now, when the lockdown happened, the challenges that I faced at the family front was quite a bit. Now, starting from, let's say, my husband, Sunny had a challenge in terms of, obviously, for him, his office had stopped. He had to work from home, and if I have to start something which is my own business out of home, it is going to be sharing the same space. And he has a definite 9 to 5 job which is taxing, but then we had to both coexist and do the work from home, and my work is quite noisy. I'm leading classes, so I guess family is important to be patient to facilitate yourself with such solutions, and I think my husband had been very cooperative. That said, Myra, my daughter, school suddenly obviously had to be, it was not available and nothing was happening. And then what do children do? Children have to learn to do childlike things. They need to play, they need to go out, they need to be with other children. Now, none of that was happening during lockdown. So obviously for a mother, you have to face the challenge of a single child who does not have a sibling, but then she wants to do something and you wonder what do. Slowly we learned as to what all can we facilitate for her to do while she is home. A lot of challenges though.
You want to lift, but you want to live, but you want to continue looking here and not here. Okay. Now give me 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Give me front raises. Up.
Of course, the lockdown did hit me financially, definitely. Overnight, classes stopped. There were at least 25 batches running, and all of them over a period of 1 week, one after the other, had shut shop. There was no revenue line which would have had been seeing light from the next week onwards. So financially, it was not just a hit, it was a close down. It was a lockdown of finances along with the lockdown of times. But I guess it is very important for me, and I have always been in that spot, that whenever I get into a situation which needs me to react quickly, to quickly come out with a solution, I probably deal with such situations in a lot better fashion. What was instantly done was I went into an online method of coaching, and then of course it started very low, very small, but the idea is a start. It saw a start within the first 1 week of lockdown.
Most of us are here, so I see Divya. Divya, I think I'm going to be seeing you in. Arush is in. Hi Pranav. Hey Pankaj. And then we have Shreyansh, Akash, and we have Ritesh and Neha, and awesome. Great guys. So we have a house full. There are a few more coming in soon.
Motivation for me has always been very simple. Let me describe it with one line, which says, the show must go on. So never a situation where there's a turmoil and I'm going to get beefed by it. It doesn't work for me. So I have to come out of the situation. So self-motivation is the need of the hour, and motivating the team, very clearly I had to handhold them, got them together to take classes. We started our own classes first there. As a team, we started taking classes on Zoom. That got them inducted to the know-how. How do we start using the software better? How do we handhold the clients? Of course, it was fun time for us as well. While there was lockdown, this was an off-pressure zone. And that's how we began. Some coaches did not take to it. They wanted to pause till the lockdown is over. Their families were concerned. So they decided to take a conscious decision. But the rest of them are flowing in and taking classes.
Your heel should be pushed out. I want everyone to push the heel out. Beautiful. And try to stay in one line. Keep lifting as much up as you can.
A very good morning to all of you. And in the backdrop of the coronavirus pandemic, it's very important, as rightly and wisely said by our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, that we need to definitely bring about social distancing. So we at Tonabolic strongly support it. And in the same time, we did something for the cause of wellness and fitness, because it's very prime at this time that you stay fit and continue the drive of staying healthy, eating right, continuing to exercise in whichever way you can. So we've tried our level best to do this with an effort. Watch what we are doing, bringing about wellness to you right by maintaining social distancing.
We don't know what she wants us to do now. What do you want us to do? Oh God, she's busy clapping.
Spreading the word, going online, going on social media, talking a lot about what is the need of the hour, going live on Facebook, going live on Instagram, starting various formats where people could shed weight, where people could just move right, bringing mobility workouts in place. All this was the need of the hour. So I think the most important thing how I brought people to understand that it is the need of the hour is by speaking about it, is by voicing my thoughts. And truly speaking, it was not something that I was really doing towards marketing my business so much as it truly meant. Even I had increased my workouts. I have started making physical gains during lockdown, which I was not making as much because maybe it was one of the many things that I was doing in terms of my own workout. But post the lockdown, this became one of the prime needs even for me. So when you start living by example, life changes and you're able to bring about those changes in people's lives in a slightly more confident and the right manner.
Foot fire, foot fire, foot fire. Yes. Pick up intensity, guys. A little more, a little more, a little more. Sahitya, you can pick up intensity. Be on your toes, not the full foot. Yes. All right, perfect. All right, get back to wacky jacks. Wacky jacks.
For people who are hesitant to join online fitness classes but always want a fitness routine in their life, humble request to them is just one. Do not join, just try out a few classes, see how it goes, attend a few people, and there are a lot of knowledgeable people around you who are fitness coaches who have done it for years together. Trust them, attend 1 or 2 classes, see how you like them, and you eventually will get accustomed to it. It's just about seeing and allowing yourselves to experience what's available. You will never regret it.
I'm Shikha Fogla, and I would like to thank Ashrita and Sunny for having thought of and initiating this wonderful program for weight loss, which because of the lockdown and the gym not being available was hard to think that it would be possible to continue.
When you are locked down in the home, my worry was now how do I achieve my goals? And that was the time when I saw the post on the Facebook by Ashrita where she was launching a 60 days program. So I immediately messaged her and it clicked right at very right moment. This program was so beneficial. I really started getting the results from there.
So for all those fitness coaches who've not yet resorted to the method of training online, probably they don't have enough resources or they don't feel confident to do it. I think my best advice to them will be, one, if you have the means, try and start studying, because if online coaching is not going to work for you, then you should invest your time, energy and effort in upscaling yourself. Get into some fitness courses, and they're rampantly available today. Upscale yourself such that when the lockdown ends, you instantly have a great opportunity where people are able to trust you more with their own fitness. Then in that case, I strongly urge you, start taking a small, reduce your prices. At least you will be able to reach out to people who today need and form small groups. Allow yourself with some trusted resources who are ready to invest with you, and you can use this as an opportunity to go and train them and make them feel fit. Work for communities. Communities today in a very large way need fitness. Community fitness is a very, very interesting and a very, very gratifying business because people around need it. Senior citizens need it, children need it, and adults need it.
Heels, heels, everyone heels. Knees. Knees, knees. Heels. 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 Nose. Nose.
Ever since the lockdown has happened, there is everything around us which has changed. कम से कम 100 चीजें तो बदल गई होंगी जो हम पहले करते थे और आज नहीं कर सकते. बट ये अगर हम सोचें कि 10 ऐसी चीजें हैं जो हम आज कर सकते हैं जो हम पहले नहीं कर सकते थे, ऐसी भी तो कोई 10 चीजें होंगी. मेरी लाइफ में वो 10 चीजें हैं और मैंने वो 10 चीजें पहले हफ्ते से ही ढूंढनी शुरू करी. कैसे ढूंढनी शुरू करी? Little things. I today am able to spend a little more time with my family than what I was able to earlier. I'm trying to build on it. Think about it. I was not able to look after my own fitness well, because for me fitness is also a business. So I was not able to spend too much time looking after my own wellness. Today, I make sure from the food to the sleep to the recovery to workouts, I don't miss anything because I have more time on myself. Think about it. I today have time to do all those things where I wanted that my business should give me a little time away so that I can enjoy my life. Okay, fine, you can't go on a vacation, but there is so much more that you can do in the scheme of things. I've picked up something new to learn. So think about it. Can there be a new thing, a new skill, a new method that you can add to your life, even if it is in fitness or it is in some other walk of life? Think about it. Around you, there are so many people who need help. Do you think if you can influence even one person to feel nice about that day, and I'm not saying feel nice about life, if that day you have made it an agenda that you bring self-confidence, belief and happiness to any one person around you whom you're capable to influence, will you feel nice about it? Trust me, it is not just you, it is me, it is my family, it is my friends, it is my clients, it is the people whose life I impact. They all need hope today. They all need something to look up to, that things are going to be better. You can be that change. You don't need to give up because you didn't come in life to do just what you're doing today. You have a lot to accomplish. I have not given up myself. You should not.